because we're small.
We are small. Okay, guys, ask us something.
Everyone's asking where Shruti.
Cat, when is Pune vlog coming?
When we go
Guys,
to Pune. हम जा
next
रहे हैं.
time जब मैं पुणे जाऊंगी, then
एक हफ्ते में जाएंगे.
yeah,
guys.
एक हफ्ते.
समृद्धि से मिलते हैं.
Yeah, just
समृद्धि.
बस clarify करने के लिए बता दो.
What is Clubhouse? Someone is saying.
It's some
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
बता, explain कर, what is Clubhouse?
It's just an app where you can connect with a lot of people at the same time.
Yeah, there's no
Yeah, it's
comments,
like a podcast
message,
kind of a thing.
nothing.
Yeah. Probably
There's only audio, which is fun. Who would rather?
Vyomesh or Sam? Sam.
Sam.
Oh, I love you.
Yeah, Sam is sweet.
Yeah, next. Guys, ask us questions. Who would rather? ये नहीं पूछो कि
What is
Kevin
Kevin
की
doing?
तरह. How do we
I mean,
know? Okay, Kevin or Sapna? Kevin.
Kevin, yeah. I mean, दोनों equal है.
Samra Singh, Jay and Aditi. Jay. You? अरे दोनों में से चूज करना है एक को.
Okay. Jay.
Yeah. Guys, ask us, Kevin or Sam?
Kevin or Trevon? Someone is asking.
Trevon.
Kevin or Sam? To me, I mean, Splitsvilla में yes, Kevin.
Splitsvilla में and Kevin or Trevon maybe. Obviously Trevon. If I have to pair up with, you're asking in that way, then Trevon. If
Yeah.
in the friendship way, like who am I closer to, then Kevin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मेरा आंसर क्या था मुझे बता दो.
Obviously Kevin, guys. Duh.
Yeah.
Arushi or Samruddhi?
Samruddhi.
Samruddhi.
Because I don't.
We're closer.
Yeah.
I love Arushi.
But I
She's
love
a
Arushi.
cutie.
Yeah.
ये पूरा melt हो रहा है.
Melt हो रहा है.
ऐसे नहीं बोला.
ऐसे बोला तूने. ये पूरा melt हो रहा है.
शिवम और रिया. शिवम.
शिवम.
शिवम भी
We love
क्लब हाउस
शिवम
में.
now.
शिवम भी क्लब हाउस में हमारे साथ
शायरी बोल रहा था.
शायरी बोल रहा है. आजकल मेरे लिए नहीं बोलता है तो मुझे थोड़ा अपसेट फील होता है. Just kidding,
Oh God.
guys. Ask us ना.
Same questions.
Riya or
Sam or
Shivam,
Kevin.
Sam or
Yeah.
Kevin. Guys, ask us. Someone is saying you like Kevin now also.
Who?
Someone is asking you. Obviously, they're very
to
good
me.
friends.
I mean, yeah. I don't hate
Nikita,
him.
it's for you.
He's a nice guy. Now also मतलब क्या है?
ओए सुनो ना हाँ क्लब हाउस. आरुषि और व्योम.
आरुषि.
आरुषि obviously.
Obvious.
प्रियांक या फिर आशीष.
कौन है? आशीष.
आशीष मैं जानती
मैं
नहीं
जिसको
हूँ प्रियांक
जानती
को.
हूँ उसका.
सपना इज आस्किंग रिया और आजमा. I think Riya would be more like tolerable.
Yeah, Riya.
Azma, I can't.
रिया कुछ बोलती नहीं थी सिर्फ.
Yeah, like spelling देखना अपना यहाँ cat CAT.
Are you in cabin? Are you in relationship with
Kevin? Guys, Kevin है उसका नाम.
Kevin है उसका नाम.
बेचारा.
पहले वो अच्छे से बोल दो, उसके बाद फिर क्वेश्चन
फिर
पूछो.
आंसर करेगी ये.
हाँ.
चॉकलेट और बटर स्कॉच. चॉकलेट. पानी जैसा हो गया ये. फ्रिज में डाल के. आओ.
हाँ.
Why are you cutting?
My brother is calling.
Kevin और सलमान जैदी.
तेरे लिए सलमान में. Both are here, like.
Both are as close to me. It's so weird. Like you can't choose between your left
But you
hand
have
or
to
your right
choose.
hand.
No, you have to choose.
Come on, इसे mom और dad के बीच में
नहीं,
बोलिए.
you have to, you have to.
मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ Kevin
You
और.
have to.
मैं दोनों से ही.
You have to, you have to.
Shut up.
Stop.
पानी पूरी या. ये रख के हो कि खाएगी और. मैं आ रही हूँ.
Stop it.
Just trying to avoid that question.
Controversy, okay?
वैसे ढक्कन यहाँ.
यहाँ है बीवी. Kevin or Shivam? I mean, guys. Kevin. happy but poor or sad but rich? Oh my god, this question is really good. I would be sad but rich. Nikki, will you be happy but poor or sad but rich?
Happy but poor or
I would be sad.
I'd be sad but rich.
Imagine I'll be traveling. Oh fuck!
guys, it's fine. I'll give you a wet wipe.
fucking.
आज आया ना ये? मैं
Ah.
दे रही हूँ तुझे wet wipe. Can I just apply my lip balm before?
Yeah, happy. Yeah, I'll be sad and rich because
Even I would be sad and
I'll
rich.
be in my jet, crying.
Crying.
I'll be in some Maldives trip
अपने life पे लेकिन
and crying there. Like I'll be shopping Gucci, Prada,
and crying.
and crying.
So guys, yeah.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Exactly.
मत कर यार.
Please इतना कर.
देखना कितना क्या हो गया ये.
तो धो लेना ना.
तू धोएगी?
मैं दूँगी. Guys, I'll wash her
Okay.
sweatshirt. So guys, can you please ask us this or
Ask
that?
us, please.
Please.
Okay. क्या?
Would you be? No, don't be that.
Would you be happy to be back with Kev? Would you be?
Would I be?
Would I be happy? No, we are good as friends. I don't think, you know, we don't want to be back.
I love your hair.
Thank you. Yeah. Do you guys love K-pop?
No. I mean, we've not heard much of it.
I'm okay. Yeah. आरुषि या सपना दोनों ही बहुत क्लोज है यार.
Yeah.
वो चूज नहीं कर सकते. Sorry, I'm gonna avoid that.
Arushi Singh orders sushi.
Sushi. We
just
just have a
ate
lot of. Oh my
pav
god.
bhaji.
इतना खाना खा लिया हमने. उससे पहले कितना खाया? Yeah, we had a lot of food guys.
Nikki, you look same as Daisy. I don't know.
Daisy कौन?
I don't know.
पता नहीं.
Oh, I got it. Some girl.
यार guys, stop asking me same cheese. Did you break up? Did you do this? Did you do that? 50 बार लाइव में आके बोल चुके हैं. क्या है ये? क्या? Oh God, नहीं पूछो मुझे शो के बारे में.
Music or dance? Music.
Music.
Because I can't dance.
आरुषि miss you. चल तुझे भी join करवाते
Arushi,
हैं.
yeah.
Wow, baby.
Arushi को add
दिख
कर.
रही है?
Arushi को add कर.
Add कर रही है.
Where is Shruti? In my room. She's live.
कैसे? Go live with आरुषि. आरुषि का केविन रिल है. आरुषि मेरी I think
Hi,
आरुषि बहुत
Arushi.
close friend है.
I'm jealous of you both. I hate you. I miss you. Even Shu has come.
Oh,
Yeah, we're
where's
having
she?
a lot of fun.
God.
Have you guys cornered her as well?
No.
No, Shu is in my room
Right
actually.
now.
She's live. So कोई काम है.
We were having
God.
gossip for like
Yeah.
How are you, Kat? How was your trip?
all good, man. Awesome blossom.
Oh,
Nikki,
I miss you, Beep.
I missed you too. Come here, yaar.
I'm
Where's-
coming soon. Like in no time. Look
क्या
at her
चल
face.
रहा है?
It's so cute. मार
थोड़े
इसको.
दिन में सपना का बर्थडे उसके बाद इसका बर्थडे.
सपना का बर्थडे तो अभी है ना ये तो दिन
हाँ.
में
29.
29th को.
और इसका फर्स्ट को है.
Yeah.
Sad
Guys,
birthday.
हमारे साथ खेलोगे like this or that. Now Arushi has also joined us. So please, please, please.
हमारे साथ खेलोगे guys. निकी देख हमारे साथ खेलोगे. नहीं खेलो प्लीज यार. We already like बहुत ज्यादा खेला जा रहा है हमारे साथ.
हाँ दे रखना.
Invitation हुई मुझे दे.
हाँ. कैसे कर?
BTS और Blackpink. Blackpink.
इधर
इधर
इधर इधर इधर रख. एक
कहाँ जा रही है?
लाइट ना ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में.
कैट का निकी का डांस देखना है मुझे निकी का डांस और कैट का दोनों का देखना
मेरा
है.
मत देखना मेरा डांस.
नहीं होगा.
मुझे कैट का देखना है. निकी का
हाँ.
तो
तो गंदा सा मैं डांस
सबसे गंदा मेरा था.
अभी डांस करो तुम दोनों. आई गिव अ डेयर टू यू बोथ.
Mad or what? What are you saying? डांस करो.
अभी डांस करे.
हाँ इसको पीछे रख.
मैं गाने गाती हूँ तुम लोग डांस करो.
हाँ मतलब मैं क्या करूँ निकी तू बता मुझे.
डांस कर.
सर देख आधा है
इसके ऊपर बैठेगी
देखो हमारा लाइफ
लेना
Beach or mountains? Mountains, mountains.
बीच
I know Cat would say beach.
डांस कर रहे हैं
Oh, very nice, guys. इनका रिकॉर्डिंग करो और YouTube पे डाल दो. Cat Kristen dancing with Nikita Bhamitipati. I have seen Cat dancing on reels though. अच्छा तो डांस करती है reels पे.
अब उससे कुछ फनी
प्लीज
हो
मत
रहा
कर
है
यार क्यों
पता है कैट की कुछ ऐसे ऐसे रील्स हैं जो इसने इंस्टा पे भी नहीं डाली है. लोगों ने पता नहीं कहाँ से उठा के. Like I saw that those reels. Cat की like in साड़ी and all. I was like, oh god.
oh god यार
Samarthya is writing Nikki is an amazing dancer.
सॉरी
Sam
गाइस
Singh
ओ क्या तो बहुत नोरा फतेह को फेल
Fail कर
गॉड
देती है।
यार मुझे हिंदी में उतने अच्छे से पढ़ना नहीं आता प्लीज हाँ हाँ
अपना?
मेरे
आरुषि आपकी टीथ एक लंबी है नीचे वाली. हाँ पता है मुझे.
क्या की तूने मैंने सपना को रिक्वेस्ट भेजा है
सैम को भी भेज
Wait, let me add a filter too.
कैसे डाल रहे सैम
ओ हाँ मैं तो भूल
This is
गया
like an all girls live. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
गाइस अभी कपल
It's
रोल
my
सामर्थ्य ने अभी लिखा कि मुझे निकिता का डांस बहुत पसंद है. आई एम डैम श्योर कि सामर्थ्य निकी से बहुत प्यार करता है क्योंकि उसने तभी ये लाइन लिखी होगी.
हाँ.
अदरवाइज इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल. और शिवम को अच्छा, एक तो सिर्फ शिवम को अच्छा लगेगा निकी का डांस, एक सुमित को, एक मोहन को और एक सामर्थ्य को.
कैट को भी अच्छा लगेगा
और कैट को भी. कैट का डांस भी बहुत अमेजिंग है. लाइक सीरियसली नोरा फतेही को तो कोई देखेगा ही नहीं अगर कैट डांस करने लग जाएगी तो.
अरे कैट.
उठाओ
कैट यार.
तुम लोग क्या गंदी बातें कर रहे हो यार.
ब्लू.
यार ये सब कुछ गिरा रही है इधर उधर ये तोड़ रही है घर देख फ्रीकिंग ऑसम
But you drop pav bhaji on
तू
it.
क्या दिखा रही है.
Freaking awesome.
कैट
यार मैंने कॉफी आइसक्रीम गिरा दिया
यार बहुत गर्मी लग रही है एसी कितना चीप है Ew.
Cat यार. Have you ever got your hair light blue?
स्टॉक हो गई मैंने ऐसे किया तो मैंने ऐसे किया फ्रीकिंग
सपना
ऑसम
लिसन
मत कर.
सपना केविन और वो लोग केविन ट्रेवॉन पीयूष वो वापस चले गए क्लब हाउस पे.
यार तुम
मुझे
लोग को-
पता
तुम लोग
है
को-
मैं भी थी वहीं पर थोड़ी
तुम
देर
लोग बोर
पहले.
नहीं होते हो क्लब हाउस पे?
या वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. मैं और निकिता तो बहुत गंदी हरकतें करते हैं वहाँ पे.
कल हम साथ सपना फिर टेल यू समथिंग मैं कॉल करके बताऊंगी इसके बाद. एक बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप मिला है मुझे आज जाएंगे.
हे भगवान गाइस.
आज आज हमारे क्लब में भी कोई मोन कर रहा था यार. लड़का कर रहा था. और
और आल्सो हु वाज
कैट डू यू रिमेम्बर. कैट तुझे याद है.
Instagram guys let's not
Oh
make
dude
it a
look at
clubhouse.
this.
yeah make it a clubhouse okay
Guys
यार
who
वो
was
लड़का बहुत बढ़िया मोन कर रहा था यार. लाइक
guys I mean
Nikita you're overacting stop sticking with cat here.
I'll lick her face guys shut
Cat
the fuck
should
up.
get her hair blue next. Blue
What?
would your hair blue color करवा ले next. अच्छा लगेगा.
यहाँ देख रही है
निकिता if you don't get
Blue है
if you
क्या?
don't get your hair pink then I don't think so that you love pink at all.
यार निकी.
I'm gonna get it pink but I can't wait for you guys to see it. Just waiting for a couple days.
yeah
When everything opens.
Get it pink, dark pink, एकदम dark गंदा सा pink.
okay they're asking us
Was Splitzilla scripted?
what
मैं टैटू बनवा लूंगी मैं अपने जिस्म पर.
जिस दिन स्पिरिचुअल स्क्रिप्ट हो गया.
सच में मैं अपने जिस्म पे टैटू बनवा लूंगी कि स्पिरिट्स वाला स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है.
अरे यार नहीं है यार.
कि क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग. मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा भाई.
उसके कान में कुछ बोल रही है कि हाँ बता दे क्या स्क्रिप्टेड है.
बता दे क्या सबको. बता दे सबको.
कान में है.
idol match
Yeah.
I think we are an
I
idol
think we'll
match.
check probably next episode में और के पास जा.
इस बार का मेरा
लोग पागल हो गए यार. These people have gone crazy.
Oh God. कोविड और ब्लैक फंगस. कोविड ब्लैक फंगस दोनों बेकार है गाइस. व्हाट.
कोविड करा लो. फंगस इज डेडली.
ऐसा था बिकॉज सपना ने सुना नहीं मैंने क्या बोला मैंने कहा निकी इज माय रियल आइडल मैच बिकॉज इस बार का जो आइडल मैच था दैट वाजंट लाइक
मत बोल कैट, मत कर।
मुझे धीरज
ये मेरे लिए बोल रही है क्या?
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
गर्मी लग रही है मुझे।
नहीं मुझे एक्चुअली ना मेरे बारे
सपना जी, are you guys excited for the next episode? Yes.
No,
we are not. We are
What the
excited.
hell?
yeah, sex or guys, this or that.
Cat is dancing. Nikita is like dancing. Everybody is looking so pretty in the next episode. By the way,
Oh,
like our gang.
Our gang, yeah.
Guys, answer.
कॉल पे बात कर लेते हैं हम फिर
Guys, नीचे
तुम लोगों ने क्या करा है भाई? जो तुम लोगों ने करा है वो मुझे भी करना है, क्योंकि तुम लोग बहुत
wow.
fit हो।
it's something
अरे
called-
हाँ मम्मा यार।
Next episode is on my birthday. What the hell? Shit, I'm gonna cry. Wait a sec,
What?
let me check.
मेरे बर्थडे पे भी मेरे बर्थडे पे है एपिसोड पागल।
तेरे
My
birthday पे है
birthday
ना?
is
फिर ठीक है। मेरे birthday पे नहीं है।
कि बदतमीज लड़की है, मर जा कहीं जाकर।
हमें क्योंकि मैं बताऊंगी। तेरे लिए तो अच्छा ही है।
यार निकिता, मुझे टैटू बनवाना है, यहाँ बनवा लूं?
बना ले
यहाँ पर लिख सुमित और यहाँ पर मोहन।
oh god okay guys let's
play यार। This or that.
this or that इधर आ जा थोड़ा इधर आ जा
ध्रुव और सपना।
What
अपने
was
क्वेश्चन
सपना?
पूछो।
Uh,
सपना।
oh god बहुत
ध्रुव also.
मुझे पता है, मुझसे पूछा कैट और केविन।
मैं सपना को चूज कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज ध्रुव मेरा भाई है तो मैं उसे बोल सकती हूँ अरे यार ध्रुव छोड़ दो
जब कैट और मुझे आया क्वेश्चन कि कैट और केविन में से किसको करोगे, तो मैंने कहा कि अगर मैं उनमें से किसी एक को चूज करूंगी तो दूसरा बंदा कहेगा कि दूसरा को चूज करने का फायदा नहीं, जिसको चूज करेंगे वो कहेगा मैं भी जा रहा हूँ। क्योंकि वो लोग साथ में आते हैं और साथ में चले जाते हैं।
क्या बोल
निकी और सैम। अरे guys, don't ask such questions. Ask थोड़ा
यार कपल में से मत पूछो।
some game what was that game we were playing last time
This or that.
नहीं
facts or food.
Food.
no what was that game
फूड और क्लोथ्स।
Food.
played some game no
Which game did you play in Goa?
Super Mario or Splitsvilla cat.
Nikita's like, I played something which was not even a game, okay? You bitches, shut up.
Guys.
game
But first
was
tell me
never
guys.
ever. No.
First tell me guys, will you guys come to that room that I found on Clubhouse or not?
How do you find rooms on Clubhouse? What do you do, Nikita? कहाँ से लाती है तू?
यार इसको चलाना नहीं आता, इसको कोई टेक्नोलॉजी सिखाओ यार।
यार नहीं, I downloaded Clubhouse, but I was like, this is like very.
Something please.
क्या
Like
देखो
Bengali
बहुत
food.
अच्छा लग रहा है, तभी दिखा रही है ना बार बार।
क्या
नए करवाया ना इसने।
अच्छे लग रहे हैं।
मेरे देख रही है नेल्स कितने बड़े हो गए
Now
You
you
didn't
can
get your nails done or
छोड़, मैं
something
नहीं
like these are
बोलती।
the natural nails.
कल बैठ के नेल पेंट किया मैंने या नेचुरल
Okay.
इसके बड़े हो जाते हैं
Nice.
यार। इसके स्प्लिट्स में बड़े थे, फिर काटे थे क्योंकि
मेरे भी बड़े हैं देखो।
या
Guys, game खेल। ये उठा यहाँ से ना uncomfortable लग रहा है। मेरा पैर दर्द हो गया है।
तुम पागल है तुम। I'm damn sure कि लोग सोबर तो नहीं है।
Die. सपना
auntie imagine they are saying that we are not sober imagine
Totally sober, my mom is saying.
not even coke
Like what coke?
Coca-Cola she's talking about. Nikita, what is wrong with you?
not even
I'm getting excited.
कौन high होता है?
Eeks, yeah.
highlight in hair or no highlight? I don't know. Ask Nikki. And like
Okay, guys, let's play some game. कौन सा
अरे
game सपना?
यार।
कौन सा game, baby?
Truth खेलते हैं ना।
कौन सा game?
Truth and truth. Truth or
कौन सा
truth.
game खेलना है?
Truth or I'll ask you questions.
हाँ,
Truth,
बस
truth.
हाँ?
Truth पे ऐसे questions नहीं होने चाहिए। मेरी mom देख रही है।
वो हाँ,
Guys, truth पे ऐसे questions नहीं है। मेरी mom देख रही है live हमारा। Please.
your mom
Bye,
already
bye,
knows
teacher.
everything about you, Nikki.
गाइस आई हैव टू गो, मेरे को डिनर के लिए कॉल आ गया है। रात को मैं देखती हूँ अभी बैठ कर। सॉरी, मैं क्लब हाउस पे रात को पार्टी करूंगी।
हाउस पार्टी कह रही हूँ उस पे, क्लब हाउस पे।
रात को करेंगे गंदी हरकतें बाय।
हाँ,
गंदी हरकत
गंदी हरकत करेंगे। What?
रात को करें गंदी हरकतें। What do you guys do? अरे कल तुम लोग बहुत देर तक थे ना क्लब हाउस पे।
मैं
मॉर्निंग के 7 बजे
मैं केविन, शायद से ट्रेवॉन और सपना भी।
या मैं सो
क्या
गई
कर रहे थे?
बातें, बकवास।
मत कर। मेरी मॉम का नंबर ही नहीं लग रहा। My mom lost her phone.
Nikki, where is everybody asking where is Shruti? Oh God.
I don't like
क्या
Nikita.
पता? अब मुझे लगा बोलेंगे I don't like What the hell?
शिवम और आसमा।
शिवम। Yeah.
या कोई अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछो। लास्ट टाइम कौन सा गेम खेला था इतना अच्छा था?
Bro, this or that.
दिस और दैट नहीं था निकी।
Never have I ever drinking game.
No.
This or that ही था, I remember.
We were in, remember I was in Goa the day Trevon came.
This or that था।
नहीं लग रहा है drinking.
And शाम को बैठ के we were playing this bullshit game.
I have no idea.
Dude, it was this or that, I remember.
यार
It
मम्मा
was
से
not
लग रहा है वो।
the game that Trevon ने start किया था।
Let
कौन
it
सा
be.
था वो
Find
game?
it. You had it ना? Let
This
it
or
be.
that ही था यार।
It was a longer question. This or that में people are asking this or that. Kevin or Sam. Nikki
Yeah.
or this. Okay.
Yeah.
It was longer questions like you lost something.
Vaccinated.
सब तुम।
We are waiting for the slots.
Nikki got vaccinated, not me.
Who is most likely to?
Who is most
Yeah,
likely?
who is most likely to? So it was like this or that only.
Chalo. It's not like this or that. It's very different from that game.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, exactly. Nikki.
Guys, we'll play who is most likely to. Chalo.
Yeah.
Let's play.
Guys, so we three wanna play who is most likely to. So please ask us.
Who is? पूछो ना क्या?
क्या चल रहा है?
People are more interested in knowing where is Shruti. Oh God.
श्रुति लाइव में।
श्रुति लाइव है मेरे रूम में बैठी हुई बेचारी।
Who
एक
is
घंटे
most
का
likely
live
to?
Are you both?
Are you both neighbors?
Oh, Shruti and I or Cat and I? I called
Cat
you
and-
up also.
Maybe it's in the room. No?
Are you okay? You just picked up. Someone just picked up.
Who is most likely to not taking bath? Abhi?
Yeah. What?
Who is most likely to not take bath? Nikki.
No.
Oh God, I take bath
No.
like twice.
अरे चुप करना, whenever I
I'm very
call you, नहाने जा रही हूँ.
नहाने जा रही है अभी।
Who is likely to not take a bath? I think Arushi.
Shut up ना.
Oh.
You must have
Who
left
is
it
most
there.
likely to get married first? That is Nikki. ये झूठ मत
That-
बोलना, ये तो तू ही है ना.
No, I'm not interested.
Nikki.
हो कितनी झूठी है. You were like I wanna get married. चलना झूठी.
Change हो गया है अभी.
Plans change हो गए।
Plans change. हाँ तेरा दर्द है मैं बात करूँ.
Who is most likely to get high in one glass of wine?
That's too low.
That's me. Baby, it's perfect. Look at this. Okay.
Cat.
my God, यार.
देखना आगे कैसी है। हाँ, perfect.
Who is most likely to get high in one glass of wine?
Me.
Cat.
Okay.
But Arushi, I guess.
आरुषि में भी आरुषि को पीते हुए देखा नहीं है मैंने।
Yeah.
She doesn't.
गोवा में?
She didn't drink.
Okay.
Who is most likely to become parents before marriage?
What?
I know the answer, but
Oh.
Stop.
I won't say.
Me.
You? I was about to say.
हर चीज के लिए हर चीज के लिए मैं I'll get married
No.
also but I'll have kids
No.
So
So Nikki will get married first, but I can have kids without getting married because I don't want to get married. So yeah.
Who is most likely to showing off? Nobody. Nobody shows off.
Showing off? No, nobody. I mean,
Who is most likely to laugh at inappropriate moments? Me.
All of us. Who is most likely to laugh like in inappropriate moments?
Who is most likely to get eliminated? Nobody. Boom bam.
Boom bam.
me.
Who is most likely to continue studies after Spitsvilla? Nikki also, me also. Cat is already influencing people.
Cat's the queen.
Yeah. Who is most likely to watch romantic movies?
All
Sometimes.
of us, I guess. You know? Guys.
Who is most likely to steal her best friend's boyfriend? Not me.
Not me. Not me.
Not
Why are you laughing, Nikki?
Not me. What the fuck?
Not steal.
Not
anyone's
steal.
Boyfriend.
Not
Yeah.
steal
Not
anyone's boyfriend.
Who's most likely to never want to have a baby?
That I can be the one maybe.
But I don't think any one of us are.
No, but I think either I want to have kids in like 1 or 2 years, or I don't want to have it at all. I want to be young.
Are you
or
looking
I
for a
don't.
donor here on this live?
No, not in this. I'm not on this live.
Yeah. Say sorry to everyone because they'll be like sending you applications and stuff.
No.
Who is most likely? Who is most likely to murder someone? Nikki.
No, not
None
me.
of us. Why me?
No, I don't want to.
Nikki would like be so angry at some
I don't
like.
do any crime for
Yeah.
anyone.
Who's most likely to get irritated very easily?
I think me.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
Reminds me of something. Okay.
What?
Someday. Who's more likely to stay single for rest of her life? I guess Cat. No?
I'm single, as in I don't mind. I don't mind
Yeah.
being in a relationship, but I'm not dying to be in a relationship. So,
Yeah, if you find like a perfect, like a good person,
yeah,
you can.
of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to take time in doing makeup? Everybody knows that.
She really doesn't need any makeup, but she will take so much.
Yeah.
Because I have long hair, so even straightening my hair would take 40 to 50 minutes.
Yeah, her hair takes thoda time. Lucky makeup too she does.
Like foundation necessarily. मैं ऐसे करती हूँ. ऐसे Nikki will be like,
प्यार से करती हूँ
ऐसे
मैं.
करती है.
आलसी बनकर.
यार मेरी बात सुन. Cat, why did you leave INTM? Like, did you leave or you got like? How did you get out? I want
Oh
to know.
no,
this.
I was eliminated, dude. It was
How?
such a-
Like, what happened?
It was so
Something
bad.
happened. No.
और I'll tell you, सारे challenges में ना, it was either Urvi or me. हम first second आते रहते थे starting से, ठीक है? And अभी I shouldn't say talk about the show actually, but then it's like they didn't expected me to go so far, and they were like really कि oh shit. Because जब मुझे बुलाया गया था INT में, that time उनको लगा था कि मैं 1-2 episode के बाद चली जाऊंगी. But then I was killing it as usual, guys.
So like, how did you? What challenge was
It was
there?
a very stupid challenge called paparazzi some challenge, okay, which was in Singapore, and कुछ तो हमें डांस करना था और कैमरा के सामने आके पोजेस करना था. And I was the girl who was actually teaching Nisha. There was another chick. Nisha, Rushali, सबको मैं बोल रही थी कि आगे आओ, डांस करो. And I have been on camera for like, I think INT में जो भी लड़कियां थी उनसे सबसे ज़्यादा पहले से मैंने काम किया था. So I have been on camera for so long and I am so good at it कि मुझे पता होता कि जब कहीं कोई कैमरा होता है तो. So I remember that challenge when people are like taking pictures and all that, and I was posing. And then when the whole like thing, what was this?
Oh, and when the whole जब रिजल्ट आया इसका, they were like सबको सेव कर लिया पहले जिनका निकलने का चांसेस था, and उसके बाद they're like now Urvi and Kat, it's a very tough decision but we have to make. I'm like, what the fuck? Of course, dude. Like, Urvi is always killing it, and if they are saying Urvi and me, I'm the one who's gonna be out. So I was like, okay, whatever, fuck it. That was very sick. Yeah, but yeah, I got like, it was good for me. Like, a lot of people liked me and everything. Who wouldn't?
Yeah.
It was fun. Yeah, it was fun. But I would still like choose Splitsvilla.
Splitsvilla.
I loved INDM journey, but I loved Splitsvilla more because I made a lot of good friends. More than anything, like made a lot. Yeah.
Oh, so good. Look at
Did a lot of stupid shit also, but I made a lot of. I'm listening. I'm actually thinking, should I go and get the coffee ice cream that I just put in the freezer or not? But I'm like, get up and get it. Because if I get up and get it, then I might have to get 2 spoons and then I'd have to walk yahan tak and I'd have to open the I'm sorry, I'm damn effing
You
weird.
want? I can get it.
No, it's fine.
Nikki,
Guys, keep threatening to hit me.
Yeah.
मारती है बहुत ज़्यादा.
कौन मारती है?
Cat.
Man, it's
You
very
beat-
toxic, guys.
Yeah,
This friendship,
she
is
she
very
beats
toxic.
me up.
Yeah.
People will actually start posting.
मैं ये मेरा नहीं सुनती है ना, ये मेरा नहीं सुनती है ना.
मुझे मारती है.
हाँ. क्योंकि I'm very workaholic ना, तो
निकी को मारूंगी, मेरा वर्कआउट हो जाएगा.
मारती है.
because I'm very
She
workaholic
forces
ना.
me to
So
work and then I
force
go
her
around
to work.
complaining to people.
Yeah,
Then she
exactly.
forces me to work.
Oh my
Y'all
god,
got
guys.
the ice cream for me, guys.
She got the joke also.
Oh, even I want ice cream.
You on the spoon already था मेरा.
Guys, I hate you.
अभी भी पानी पानी जैसा है.
Who is more likely to be? Who is most likely to date Shivam?
Nikita.
Bye guys. बस
No,
करो
no, I'm
यार.
kidding. No one.
Who is most likely to
No,
date?
he's
He's a
nice.
nice
He's
guy.
cute. I like him. He's cute.
Yeah. So
But not that
Shivam,
big.
I wish somebody sends this to Shivam that Nikki likes you. Shivam, सुन ले.
I like
Yeah.
him. He's a nice guy.
He's
He's damn nice.
Yeah.
And he's all about peace.
Show में जो
that's cute.
yeah. Show में जो भी था, that's a different thing. He's not bad. He's sweet.
कैसा शक्ल हो गया ना आइसक्रीम का.
Who is most likely to date a girl?
Not me.
इसकी तरह पता है? बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी इतना मुझे.
Who is most likely to guys? Who is most likely to irritate someone?
Not me.
Not me.
Sorry.
I'll not date anyone.
Yeah.
Me sometimes.
You.
Who is most
That
likely?
coffee soup someone is saying.
Yeah, exactly. It is.
What did you guys do?
Dude, we're having this, so it's basically vegan, right? So it doesn't have any dairy in it. So it's made out of like almond milk and all that. So थोड़ा thin होता है वो. It's,
Yeah.
The brand is Papa Cream and the flavor is vegan coffee mocha chunk. So guys, get it and be vegan.
Did they pay you?
Shut up, रे यार.
No, yaar. I don't need to.
नहीं यार.
But pay me if you're watching it, Papa Cream.
Who's most likely to go on a blind date?
I would. I mean, I
Not
trust my
me.
friends' choices because my friends would know the kind of guys that I would like.
I wouldn't.
Like if you would send me on a blind date, I would know that you'd send me on like a good date, not
Yeah,
with a
that
creep
is
or
true.
something. You know?
That is true. But
Who
I
is most likely to shave their eyebrows?
Not us.
not us. I love my eyebrows.
Who is more likely to do a movie?
Not me.
I would love to.
Nikki.
Who is more likely to do a reality show?
Me.
Me.
Same. Like,
I
but
love
like,
reality
I
shows.
guess it.
We love reality shows. That's why we went on
yeah.
one.
Yeah.
And we're
Only if
also
I get Big Boss.
yeah, Big Boss. Yeah, or something big. Like
Something
Big Boss,
Yeah.
basically. Not
Like
something
Love
big.
Island.
Like we want to go on Love Island. I wish more like Too Hot to Handle or something.
Oh,
Have you
yeah.
watched? gonna be fun. Imagine.
Who is most likely to win the next challenge? Oh God, guys. Do you think we'll tell you? Are you asking such questions?
मुझे
Who
तो
is
पता
most
नहीं
likely to sleep in the villa
Next
all the time?
challenge वो वाला है ना?
Yeah.
Who is most likely to sleep in the villa? For the,
Me.
like, no.
Sleep in what way?
Sleep in villa all the time.
Sleep like sleep with someone or like sleep?
Sleep is like not coming out and being in.
In normal sleeping, I would also love to sleep.
No, but Kevin used to sleep a lot.
Yeah, he used all the time.
All the time.
Who is most likely to be best at maths? I love maths.
I suck
Kylie
at
or
math.
Kendall? Kylie.
Kylie. Does anyone get eliminated in the next
Okay,
show?
let's not talk about
We
it.
don't know that. We're waiting. हम कल
We're
shoot कर रहे हैं तो कल ही पता लगेगा हमको.
Who is most likely to play with boys?
Who is
Nobody.
most play with boys as in
In what way?
game खेलना?
Game खेलना like clubhouse में
Ludo.
basketball, video games.
All
वो तो
of us.
all of us.
Who's most likely to do skydive?
I would love to.
Yeah,
I was anyways planning this year.
kind of adventurous.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to be a gossip?
I mean, not most of the girls, I guess.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah. Nikki and I am. Like,
Yeah.
We love gossiping.
yeah. So does Arushi.
Yeah. That is-
Sometimes.
Who is the most weird girl in the villa?
I don't know.
I don't want to name like anybody.
Yeah, I don't know weird in what way. Like we're all weird.
Yeah.
Like I know who's weird. Like more than
I know who you want to say also. We know what she wants to say, but yeah, it's the same answer for us.
This is very good, huh? This is the level of our friendship is
telepathy.
getting stronger day by day. Don't even have to say anything.
Most likely to climb Everest. I think Kat.
I would want to.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind, but that's not my goal. Who's most likely to break boys' heart? I mean,
we have all, but
We-
most likely का बता नहीं. But we've all like been hurt and gotten hurt.
I don't want to.
Been
Like,
hurt and hurt somebody. Is what I
I wouldn't
do it
choose to hurt
intentionally.
anyone.
Yeah, not intentionally.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to irritate everyone? I think I can get on everyone's nerves.
my
Yeah.
brother is saying, my real brother is like, take me in your life. I was like, Ghanta. What
I
the
love your brother. He's so cute. He's damn cute.
Yeah.
Gee, Nikki, he's annoying as fuck.
Someone like Kat and you are neighbors, kya?
Yeah, we
We
are.
will be soon.
Oh, baby, I have to tell you. बाद में थोड़ी देर।
अभी मत.
I think I know what Kat wants to tell you.
Uh-huh.
Who's most
Yeah, you
likely?
do.
Even I have an idea.
Yeah. Yeah.
मुझे भी बता.
कान में बताएंगे. आना
कान में
get
बताएंगे.
कान लाए हम.
बोल. नहीं सुनाई दिया. God. Who is most likely to date Splitsvilla man out from
Who's
this
the
show?
hottest guy in the season or in this season?
In
Hottest
this season, this or the.
The
Oh, my leg hurts.
who's the hottest guy?
यार
Cat.
यार out of like
I would
have
say
you guys
hot. I think everyone is hot.
Yeah, all the
But
guys.
I would still choose Kevin. I don't know what. Not nothing all about it. I mean,
Oh.
yeah,
that's sweet.
yeah. What about Arushi? Yumesh?
Yeah, like I don't know how to figure out who's hot and who's not. Like what is hot? Like for me,
I
hotness
don't
is
know.
like
Someone who you find attractive. What is that?
attractive. Yeah, everybody except the other group.
What's their name, but the other group's name?
मत कर यार, मत कर.
Boomba.
Roomba. Cat, shut up. क्या लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे? Who is most likely to get in a toxic relationship?
I think me. All of us.
Sometimes,
I've
like,
done that.
because we don't realize that it's toxic until you know.
Yeah.
Until
But
we're
I
like-
think it's just good when you realize that it is. Just
Yeah.
leave. Just get the
Please.
fuck out and
Yeah.
never come back.
Yes,
Yeah.
Nikki.
or else you're gonna end up hurting yourself.
Someone is saying, please add me. बहुत important बात करनी है आपसे. तो call करिए आप मुझे.
Call कीजिए. Cat Kristen, are you in
Who is most likely to talk
No,
constantly? Nikki.
Who is most likely to talk constantly?
Talk
No, I
constantly.
think it's all a fun. No, I would say me, Nikki, Janvi.
Oh God, Janvi.
Janvi.
Really?
Yeah. Janvi, and then I would say me, Nikki, Samruddhi.
Me, Nikki, something. Everybody. But Nikki has this thing. Once she starts, like she doesn't take a pause. She's like,
Yeah, because I want to let it all out at once. Do you not understand?
No, but I think what happens a lot of time, like when me and Nikki we are having any conversation, I'm the one who's talking like non-stop.
Because I tell you everything on
And
call
Nikki's
only.
like, okay, babe, but you know, na. I'm like, okay. That's what happens our conversation.
Obviously, when she's telling me about her stuff, then obviously I'll be quiet. When I'm telling
Yeah.
her about my stuff, then she'll
Yeah.
be quiet. No?
yeah. Who's most likely to name themselves? What?
Who's
What?
who's the
Who's the player till now? Please answer.
who's the player? As in what player?
Is Jordan John your brother? Cat ma'am? Yes.
Yeah, he's my.
Who's most likely to work out all the time? Cat.
Cat.
Not all the time, but like she works out.
Yeah.
She's
Unlike me.
and even I don't. I have to start.
We have to. Yeah, me and Nikki are gonna start soon.
आज
Once
सुबह मैं
all
जिम
this
जाने
thing
वाली थी बट 7 बजे तक मैं क्लब हाउस पे थी.
is- चलते हैं ना.
आज I was about to go to today 8 बट क्लब हाउस पे थी मैं.
Please, you have to start sleeping.
Yeah, I'll
Mama
sleep
say.
आज से.
Mummy.
अब तो यहाँ क्या बोल रही है लाइफ पे?
हाँ.
ये मम्मी वाली. Guys, my
बोल
mom
रहे थे.
doesn't beat me.
No.
निकी शादी करोगी तो प्राइवेट प्लेन में सब्जी लाने भेजूंगा. Enough वो जोक ना खत्म हो गई. व्योमेश को मारूंगी मैं for that fucking thing he said.
Why can't we enter the clubhouse? It is showing that the username is reserved, but there is some confirmation.
Oh God.
I know, man.
यार एक ही
I know.
question.
Guys, ask us who would rather.
Yeah. Don't ask the same
Don't
questions
ask her
because
अगर ये केविन को डेट कर रही है या
50 बार
कुछ
बोल
अजीब.
चुकी हो.
ये
लिख
क्या
दो,
लिखा है? किसी
लिख-
ने लिखा बिग बूब स्प्लिट्स वाला.
लिख
The
लेती
fuck?
हूँ मैं नीचे.
क्या है ये this all how is this would you rather big boob splits वाला what क्या मतलब है
I
उसका?
don't know.
Nikki, why so pinky? Pinky,
Oh
Nikki, why
God,
so
yeah,
pinky?
okay. For all the people whoever is like so interested, कि guys तुम लोग का कभी
क्या
I don't know.
question
Do
क्या
you
था?
guys not have any guy friends? Or
Question
is it
क्या
sort
था?
of, if me and Travon we are dating,
cat and Trahan कहाँ से शुरू हो गया?
guys,
This is a new
तुम्हारे
angle
को
you
क्या
guys
था?
have created. That's nice. First,
मेरे
okay.
बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं और मुझे डिफरेंस नहीं पता चलता लड़की
So,
लड़के.
मतलब ये अगर कल ध्रुव या व्योमेश के साथ या गैरी के साथ पोस्ट करती meaning she's dating them.
Yeah, when
That's
I'm
just how
dating,
it works.
you'll know.
She'll
You don't
tell
have
you
to
guys.
assume.
अपने मुंह से बोलेगी guys like
मेरा
I'm
मुंह है.
dating.
हाँ, I'm dating
मत
this. ठीक है? टेंशन मत लो तुम लोग.
Who is most likely to cause a world war? I think me.
Shit.
Yeah, I'm very short-tempered. Yeah, when I lose my mind, I'm just like
Yeah. Even I get annoyed when they have this like stupid
no. I literally feel like slapping.
slapping.
Slapping. Who is more likely to get annoyed faster?
Me.
I also get annoyed. Not faster, but then
I get annoyed.
No,
Who would you rather date, Chandler or Joey?
Who's that?
देखा कि नहीं है
नहीं.
Can't relate.
I would date Joey. He's so cute.
Okay. I don't know. I have no idea.
Arushi's
You
wedding.
guys are
Ramesh
so
wedding.
pure. I can't believe I'm friends with people who haven't watched Friends. This is the first time. Like, how do I be friends with someone?
Would you rather date a guy who is tall or someone who is cute? What?
So tall है, tall वाला cute नहीं है. Mention करो tall and not
Tall,
cute.
not cute, and
Cute and tiny.
cute and tiny. Yeah.
Guys,
Oh, God.
who has a pet? I do. He's keeping. Who is most likely to delete their Instagram account? I don't think any one of us. Three of us.
Yeah, if
would.
I have a lot of money and if my life is sorted and if I'm a billionaire, then I would delete my Instagram.
I can delete like sometime. Sometimes
not
when I
sometime, Ray. Delete it. Just
not
like
delete.
Like
But
never
yeah,
come
just
back.
Never come back.
No,
I
not
will do
delete.
that.
Like deactivate or something like that.
No, you have to delete it. समझ में
Yeah.
नहीं आ रहा क्या आरुषि
No.
question? So
अब आया ना?
मारूंगी मैं तुझे. Who is
To get drunk.
who's?
Oh God.
None of us.
क्या पढ़ रही है? कौन सी पढ़ रही है?
Yeah. Who is most likely to get drunk and create havoc?
Nobody.
Nobody.
निकी कैट आरुषि कब शादी करोगे?
Yeah.
क्या तीन शादी
आज ही
करें?
रात को.
तीनों शादी करें.
तीनों शादी कर लेंगे. शादी बोलो.
Virtual शादी.
Cat, ma'am, I want to collab with you. DM हो ना. They're good. I think even I collab with them.
Yeah.
पता नहीं याद नहीं आता.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to get scared
Would you
when
rather
watching
date
horror
a
movie?
rich guy, rich and sad guy, or a poor and happy guy? I think I would rather date a poor and
I
happy
would
guy.
date a poor and happy guy because I know I would be rich.
Yeah.
So I would not date
Yeah.
the guy.
I don't
money.
want want any guy in my life who's sad.
Yeah.
Period.
I swear.
Guys, who is most
Who's
likely
most likely to get drunk in a club and dance on the bar?
I mean, yeah, me.
I would do that, even though I
would do
can't dance. Arshi's such a kid. Yeah, she's so cute.
She's a kid.
Thanks. Who is most likely to get
Most likely
scared
to
when
get out
watching
of the
horror
villa.
movie?
I don't know.
I would get scared.
Yeah.
Me too.
तुझे
I'm
शो
not
दिखाना
scared.
था ना?
हाँ, देखेंगे बाद में.
What's your name, Kat Arushi? And what's the name of the other girls? What?
What?
Random. Funny. Who is Nikki? Who's likely to be acting in a movie? It's Nikki.
Vyumesh dating Arushi.
Ask Arushi.
Ask Kat. Cat's face says it all.
So you have to still answer. Are you dating Vyumesh?
Why are you laughing? Why are you both laughing? Can't we date?
Now,
What's the problem,
Nikita,
guys?
guys, listen, na, Nikki and Shivam are an ideal match, right?
For
पता
sure.
नहीं, हो भी सकता है.
हो भी सकता है.
I have no idea actually. The orchid is a little weird that
Yeah.
way. Most likely to get plastic surgery.
I don't think I need plastic.
I don't think I would.
Plastic surgery की
सर्जरी की जरूरत नहीं है. नॉवेल्स छोटी मोटी चीजें. Like क्या भी
छोटी मोटी चीजें लाइफ में चाहिए होगी
हाँ.
तो that's a जब बुढ़े होने के बाद चाहिए होगी तो कर
Yeah.
लेंगे. सर्जरी पता नहीं.
Nikki, आरुषि की my favorite cat Nikki.
ये
I
क्या
don't
है?
understand क्या मतलब था उसका.
Arushi ki my favorite cat Nikki.
Arushi
Arushi ki.
eyebrows वाला. None of
Who
us.
is
Is
most
Arushi
likely
dating?
to?
Guys, is Arushi dating Nikki? Please say.
Yeah,
That's a new angle now.
I am
Cat
dating all the
dating
girls of
someone,
the villa.
Arushi dating me now. Okay.
We are lesbians. Anything,
Yeah.
anything. They would just make
I am dating all the girls of the villa.
Who's
Actually,
most likely to drink
Happy.
maximum bottles of Pepsi? Dude.
Janvi's here, guys.
Hi, Janvi.
Are you a
Are
beach
you a
person?
beach
Achha, that
person or a
is
mountain person? Hi,
mountain.
come. Come.
I am a mountain person, honestly.
So
Arushi.
someone's coming, guys. Come now.
Hi.
Arushi. Arushi and
Shruti Sinha.
खा लिया तूने?
Cat, your hair color is very good.
Exactly my point. खा लिया तूने पूछ लिया.
Yeah.
Come now.
That's it.
Nikki, who's more likely to go to Boom Bam?
इधर आ जाओ.
Not me. She likes Boom Bam.
Yeah.
I
You like Boom Bam?
like us. You like Boom Bam over us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Yes.
That is okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I love Shivam. Yeah, Shivam even I love. Yeah. I like Nikhil and Palak also.
Yeah. Nikhil.
She means it literally.
This one because she
Yeah.
keeps doing this.
Yeah.
Achha, Shruti, if you were in splits, like which guy would you like choose?
If I was
सीवी उधर अच्छा था मैं
Yeah, if you were.
हाँ मतलब ना
either Trevon or Nikhil.
who which guy
Trevon or Nikhil, not Kevin.
that's
What?
nice
Not Kevin.
यार सब थोड़ी ना उसे चूज करेंगे
Because he got like the maximum.
मेरे को पता है क्या मैं बहुत ज्यादा केविन और मैं बहुत क्लैश करेंगे अगर हमें एक साथ
Oh God, yeah.
डिसीजन बनाना होगा तो नहीं. Why not Shivam since you love him so much? Fan नहीं लेके गई.
Thanks for not picking him. I'm so happy.
No, either like she asked me legit ना कि अगर मैं contestant होती तो
Yeah.
I would pick either
So you would
Nikhil
leave
or-
Shivam to me
और
now.
Trevon
Yeah, obviously your प्यार.
Shut up, yaar.
Trevon or
Yeah.
Nikhil.
Trevon okay nice that's nice आरुषि तू क्वेश्चन पूछ because
ये
you
इसी
can't
चल
really
रहा
see.
है टीवी
Okay.
यहाँ भी बंद हो गई तूने क्या किया
मेरे
ये
रूम में चले
ये फैन का क्या किया तूने
हाँ
People are very excited to have Shruti right
Nahi.
here. They are like, Shruti in the house. Shruti.
ऑन करना
Hello, I just went live with and like on a Zoom call. It was so much fun.
God. Guys, the game is
Yeah,
still
yeah.
on. You can
Ask
ask
me
us questions.
Yeah. Please आरुषि क्वेश्चन पूछ क्वेश्चन पढ़
गाइस मेरे रूम में
Because we can't
चलो
really see it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just like waiting for them to.
कैसे है ये
तू कैसी है
My
Cat.
क्या
People are saying, tell honestly, all of the boys, who do you think has the best body?
देखो आंटियां हमारे लाइफ
पता है, ऐसे नहीं रखा I stole पूरा मैट में कैसे दिख रहा था
बहुत ही गंदा
मत कर यार,
चावल
निकी।
ही है
यार
निकी फाइन कहाँ है वो
एकदम
लिक्विड ही नहीं है
सोफा के नीचे सोफा के नीचे
Just let me know whenever I have to start.
हाँ पूछना स्टार्ट कर ले तू क्योंकि हम
चल ठीक है. Who is more foodie? Everybody loves food. We all are foodies, I guess. Hi, Abraj.
अच्छा निकी
ऐसे कम नहीं हो रहा है यार
थैंक्स यहाँ आजा आजा
Who's most likely to drunk dial someone?
drunk dial
Not me.
even cat even me yeah but I drunk dialed her first and then on it then at least and then I asked should I and then she goes like no and then I'm like okay ठीक है
I तो don't drink only so drunk dial
Same. Can't.
I would probably dial
देख
while
मैंने
I'm
की क्यों करना था
in my
ये ऊपर कर दे हाँ
खराब कर दिया
ये हमेशा ये कि हाँ ठीक है खुश अभी क्या कर दिया
Shruti, people want to know who's your boyfriend.
what
People want to know who's your boyfriend.
किसके एक दो तीन
People want to know who is Shruti's boyfriend.
there is no boyfriend
she's
only
single right now
single.
but guys you can send your applications and she would like to pick one of yours.
no I think I'm good Nikki thanks for trying
Just try once maybe.
she's single but not ready to mingle
Yeah, at the moment.
Yeah.
But applications भेज के रख दो.
हाँ देख क्या बिगाड़ दिया
ये क्या कर रही है यार? मेरा फेस का एंगल फनी लग रहा है वैसे.
Nikki, yaar. Guys, send in questions now.
देखो मुझे oh
my
god
face is as big as your two bodies
वही 29 25 पे था तो it was fine.
that's what I'm doing तू नहीं I think even fan is okay ना
are you three neighbors
Yeah.
yeah
I realized it today मुझे ना निकी बहुत दूर रहती है
I told
हाँ
you.
नहीं ये thank God she's not in town now अब मैं ऐसे बैठी रहूँ
यार 24 ही हो गया ठीक है.
अरे यार, guys, क्या पूछ रहे हैं यार? कुछ भी पूछ रहे हैं.
Guys तू कहीं ऊपर डाल देते हैं.
उसको क्वेश्चन पूछने दो
Question पूछिए.
People are calling you guys Powerpuff Girls.
We are Papa girls. I'm Blossom. Bubbles.
Who's more likely to end this live session?
हाँ red one.
Cat. Who's most likely to end this live session as soon as possible? ASAP. बंद करो इसको.
बंद करोगे
हाँ सुजल का बाल एक फेस पे चिपका है ना देख देखना
नहीं है
मैंने कर दिया
अरे guys, send questions यार. Who's most likely to? What is this? Stupid questions.
ask guys
ask us guys
who's most likely to slap Nikki for this paper
This was not a question. Where did this come from?
okay guys can you ask us more questions
we have to literally beg
पता नहीं, I don't know.
please ask us
please guys
Nikki, oh God, Nikki, somebody, Nikki, somebody is wrote Nikki will fart and both of them will.
somebody is what
Somebody is wrote Nikki will fart and Shruti और Cat दोनों उड़ जाएंगे फिर.
yeah someone the Nikki will fart on we सब भी वो उड़ जाएंगे वो funny ना
Oh God, यार. Who's more likely to get pregnant first?
happy about it
who's more likely to
Get pregnant first.
not me
I mean I said okay I don't mind
Yeah.
I'm not getting married
what are you doing with my hair तब से यार
अरे guys, who's most likely to? Guys, listen. इनका अपना किटी पार्टी, तुम्हारा अपना किटी पार्टी चल रहा है लाइफ पे. Who's most likely to? Exactly. So I am like बहुत FOMO हो रहा है मुझे अभी. Who's most likely to date an older guy?
Arushi is very sad क्या
Who's most likely to date an older guy? Yeah, same.
मुझे वो यार कैसे भाई यार
Who's most likely to make out with a girl?
oh god
no
Who's most likely to make out with a girl?
सुन लिया question trust नहीं है but I like out of the four of us I think I could be but no
Okay.
you
No. Nikki, maybe.
with me or saying
With you, yeah. Yeah. Oh God. Who's most likely to dance in public place? I guess it's Shruti. Yeah. Oh God. Who's most likely to get married first?
yeah
बस करो यार ये
getting married
पुराने questions हैं यार.
please guys now enough Arushi you yeah
What? Get married first? Get married first? No way. I don't want to get married.
you'll find your
you found it but did you find your old school lover or not I mean are you like Vyomesh
What the hell, Nikki? Stop it, my God.
ask her if Vyomesh is her old school lover that can be a nice question to ask her okay
Don't ask me. Don't ask.
oh you put a song
Who is most likely to cry over a series? Like while watching a series?
I would all of them would also
क्या क्या क्या
since उनको answer नहीं करना I'll answer on that behalf
क्या क्या था क्वेश्चन
Who is most likely to cry?
Oh God. क्या था कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया यार
Who is most likely to cry while watching a series?
who's most likely to
cry while watching a series or me
Like some,
because everyone will cry
like something which you.
7,800 people watch This Is Us. All of you will cry.
oh I have watched I loved it yeah but then it just got really boring
Boring
after
by
three
the-
yeah
Yeah.
मैंने देखा
First two seasons.
yeah
Fifth
बहुत
season
बहुत ही
was
boring हो
boring.
गया था हाँ
Who likes Rohit Saraf? Somebody's asking who's like Rohit Saraf.
Who?
He's
He's
cute.
so cute. His friend.
Yeah.
Like?
Rohit Saraf.
His friend.
Yeah.
Very sweet. What is this? Ransar ने निकी का क्या एक्टिंग किया?
कब क्या?
हाँ वो उस पे तूने जो बोला था ट्रेन में तुम्हें कभी
God.
चाहिए something like that.
कब क्या?
Nikki wearing
Yeah.
Shivam name. You guys want me to? This is not Shivam. This says Nikki. I swear I'm not lying. Please, guys. शिवम ने मुझे दिया नहीं अभी तक अपना, इसलिए
she's waiting for Shivam to give her
शिवम अभी क्लब हाउस पे है,
कुरियन भेजेगा निकी को।
वो अभी क्लब हाउस पे बिजी है।
और क्या है क्वेश्चन?
who's most likely to get caught up in her bed with Karan Johar.
You.
Ew, not. I love Karan Johar.
But we would not be caught in bed with him.
Yeah, he's gay now, so there's nothing on that.
Why you want to be caught?
With
No,
Ross,
yeah.
I want
he slept because he's gay, so there's nothing.
Even I- yeah,
I love Karan Johar.
Yeah. Okay.
so that's why she wants to get caught.
Yeah, imagine now we're gossiping because obviously there's nothing that can happen.
That
He's
can
gay.
happen.
Yeah. So we're gossiping about everything.
Yeah,
that's
that makes
happening,
sense.
And then we
yeah,
slept
he'll
off.
be a good person to.
Okay, like clean, like clean.
Guys, kill, marry, date. Shivam, Jay, Nikhil.
Can I kill everyone?
Right
Yeah.
for me. Okay, she
Kaun kaun? Shivam, Nikhil, and Jay.
I know her answers already.
Kill Jay. Date. Kill, marry, date.
date
बोला ना
date
उसने।
हो रहा है।
Kill, marry, date. हाँ. So I'll kill Jay.
Date Shivam.
Date. No. Date Nikhil, marry Shivam quiz. Shivam's too funny and
Yeah.
he'll keep me entertained.
Yeah.
Kill Jay because वो बहुत फिटनेस में है भाई, पागल कर देगा, हेल्दी खाओ, ये करो, वो
हाँ.
करो। मैं नहीं कर सकती. Same. I would kill Jay, like not kill, like just
Obviously.
I would kill Jay. I would kill Nikhil. I would date Jay and I would marry Shivam because he's so funny.
Okay.
I'm not killing. marrying,
Tables have
or-
turned like many.
It's just a hypothetical
Okay.
situation.
I will. Fucking hell! It's so difficult.
Who will you kill? Let's start with honestly. Who will you kill? I thought you would say I would fuck.
No. Okay, I will kill.
Shivam, Jay और
अरे
Nikhil.
cat जल्दी.
नहीं
I
यार.
would kill Shivam.
हाँ ठीक है चलो. I'll kill Jay.
You date Shivam.
Marry Nikhil.
And what about Arushi?
I'm sorry, there's not.
I want to kill
Yeah,
Shivam.
अभी Arushi. You
I
want
want to
to?
kill Shivam.
हाँ.
Bye यार.
Arey, because sometimes, like at times he gets like too much. Like it's just not.
funny यार, मत कर. He's too
कभी
funny
कभी
यार.
and I wanna.
Deep मैंने उससे बोला.
Arey, he's not my kind of funny. My kind of funny is Trevon. My kind of funny is Trevon. Okay, not Shivam. Like what Shruti said, na, like he's funny. Like I'm saying that he's not my kind of funny. Like my kind of funny is Trevon.
और even our kind of funny is Trevon, but options में अगर Trevon नहीं है तो options
नहीं यार, I would still not. क्या शायरी करते रहेगा यार पूरा टाइम.
मतलब शिवम
तो अच्छा दिया होता.
शिवम शो को इतने एंटरटेनिंग बना रहा है ना, शिवम की वजह से मेरे को ऐसा मन करता है कि जाके देखियो आज क्या शायरी करेगा,
guys,
बोलेगा किसने कॉपी
Is that Sam is here?
Oh,
With Sam, Samarthya.
क्या किसी ने कुछ बोला?
सामर्थ्या ने शायद सुन लिया कि मैंने बोला मैं
Cat, do you? Oh God.
Sorry, Sam.
Arey, you know what people do? I think they might be sending this live to Samarthya and saying that see what is happening between Nikki and Shivam, blah blah blah.
Sam, I'll call you after this.
People asking Shruti, machega, please dance.
बच्चेगा बच्चा प्लीज डांस. भाई YouTube पे देख लो, मेरे व्यूज भी बढ़ जाएंगे.
तो लोग देख रहे हैं अभी 8,000 लोग जाके 8,000 व्यूज बढ़ा दो श्रुति के.
Arey guys, this is nice. Kill, marry, date. Kevin, Gary, Dhruv.
What is this? Kill, marry, date. Kevin, Gary, Dhruv. Kill, marry, date. Kevin, Gary, Dhruv.
I wanna kill Gary. I wanna date Kevin and marry Dhruv.
Okay.
Yeah, I was. नहीं. Same. Yeah.
I would kill Dhruv. Because वो बिल्कुल भी मेरे को समझ नहीं आता. वो बहुत ही दिल्ली टाइप का वो है.
हाँ.
I'm from Delhi. My best friend from Delhi's name is Dhruv Malik. तो मैं उसका मजाक उड़ा देती हूँ कि बस तेरा एक लंबा वर्जन आ गया है. Same. So I can never like
Yeah.
look at him.
Yeah.
The same. Who was that?
Gary and Kevin.
नहीं मुझे नहीं करनी शायद. मुझे डेट.
हमको नहीं आंसर करना है. मुझे
Arey, this is cheating. No answer. Yeah, I have answered. No answer.
ध्रुव एंड केविन दोनों मेरे भाई जैसे, मैं क्यों उनको मैरी करूंगी या डेट करूंगी दोनों में से किसी को?
तू किल कर देना उसको.
नहीं, लास्ट टाइम केविन ने भी कहा कि he will marry Nikki. जो उसके पास ऑप्शन आया था.
ऑप्शन आया था उनका, तो if he would not pick me over them, I would beat him.
So that's what I'm saying. Now you can.
But I got options of
Gary, Kevin, and Drew. बोल जल्दी बोल. Not that difficult, Nikki.
I would kill Gary.
Yeah.
I don't mean kill यार,
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah.
just
Obviously, even I said the same thing. हाँ.
yeah, you know what happened.
नहीं,
So
नहीं,
I would
बोल,
kill Gary.
Yeah.
I would date Dhruv and I would marry Kevin. But
Yeah.
it's just a hypothetical situation because Kevin and Dhruv are literally like my brothers.
Yeah,
So
okay,
please
so-
don't make a scene कि मैंने बोला कि I want to kill Gary.
Nobody will.
Yeah.
हाँ, don't. मैं तो हूँ भी नहीं शो का part. Don't send hate. Playing. Rejo Bichari is playing a game.
Okay. I think kill Gary. Date Drew.
Yeah.
Marry Kevin. क्या करूँ यार? लगी पड़ी.
People are saying Arishi is feeling left out here. Of course, FOMO हो रहा है यार.
Arishi, your turn.
What my turn? I said it. मैंने कर दिया आंसर. क्या हो गया?
तू गैरी से शादी करेगी?
नहीं
ठीक, मैंने बोला था मैं गाड़ी को किल करूंगी क्या? Sorry, I didn't mean that literally.
बेचारी को भेजना गलती से निकल गया उसके मुंह से. She did not mean it. She did. He
Oh, God.
like that.
See, अरे हाँ yeah, he so अरे Gary is very nice. He's very nice. Gary की जय हो.
है?
Okay, guys, marry and date Vyomesh, Samarthya, Trevor.
Okay.
Can I answer first?
I wanna. Okay. Kill. क्या?
Kill, marry, date Trevor and Vyomesh.
I would marry Samarthya because he's too sweet and
Yeah.
date Trevon. Kill Vyumesh.
Yeah,
Trevon because he's very funny.
yeah. I would date Trev, obviously. Marry Sam, because obviously.
And kill Ramesh.
And I would kill Vyomesh, because Vyomesh is like my bhai, bro. So you'll kill your brother. Ayushi, you go.
No, you go. I don't want to answer this.
तू बोलना.
Let me think. You start first. I'll think. You waiting for me?
क्या भी
Yeah.
for you.
Okay. So I would kill. I don't want to say that, but I'm sorry. I'm killing Trevon,
Okay.
and I am marrying Samarthya. Shadi with Samarthya and
I'll beat you. You can't marry. Sam.
because like I don't mean that. Okay, I'm just like saying it because I've got a situation.
He's bad.
Chal, ठीक है, I'll change. Wait. I'm changing. I'm sorry, I'm changing. No. I want to kill Samarthya. I want to date Trevon. I want to marry Vyomesh. Your voice is...
Oh God.
I am not marrying. I changed this thing. Okay. Vyomesh.
And marry Vyomesh said, I will marry Vyomesh.
Shut up. I'm not saying it.
Yeah.
Say.
Arshi.
Who would you
I
marry?
will marry Vyumesh.
Who would you marry?
Vyomesh.
Who would you kill?
Samarthya.
You wanna kill Sam?
Yeah.
You wanna kill her? Kill my connection. How will I get married to him then? Look at this.
I'm killing him for me. I'll kill you also. We both of you go to heaven and then apna jodi you continue there, okay?
What people you are?
Start में. Have fun.
मेरी भूख
Oh
नहीं लग
my
रही है.
God, guys.
You can
Arey, ask Shruti now. What is her like? Stop laughing like that, Tiki.
What?
What are your
Shruti.
options?
I would kill Vyomesh. No, I will kill.
Sorry, yaar. Sorry, Arushi. I would date. Change it.
No,
I
और
will
same
date.
दे देना.
I will date Sam because then वो long term नहीं है ना, वो तू ले लियो फिर Trevor.
हाँ. ठीक है,
But-
चलो.
Kill Vyomesh.
Yeah.
So
Arushi,
Arushi.
अरे it's fine.
Arushi.
No, I'm sad. Sorry, I have to be sad now. I'm sad.
Do you like the most in Spitzvilla? Shivam.
Not us. Kevin is saying you all suck. lol. You all suck, lol.
K-lol.
Lol.
K-lol. But Shivam यार, because I
Yeah.
swear to God, जब भी मैं एपिसोड देखती हूँ ना, वो इतना entertaining है as an audience I'm saying. ना वैसा कुछ हो नहीं है, मतलब वो running shoes वाला comment was so funny. Like then पता नहीं कुछ भी बोलता है यार, ये
Look
इसके
at
बारे
this.
में बोल रहा था, it was
क्या?
so funny.
किसके बारे में?
तुम्हारे से प्यार करता है वो, तुम्हारे को जब वो तुम हनी में लेट रही
Yeah,
थी, तुम्हारे
sorry.
हनी it is so
हाँ,
Oil,
हाँ,
oil.
में.
it was so funny.
He is
like,
funny.
very
Guys, see this.
entertaining.
Guys, see this.
Yeah,
तो दिखता नहीं, मैं बता दूँ क्या कर रही है तू? मुझे बता दे, मैं पढ़ लूंगी.
देख लिया मैंने
कौन सा वाला?
हाँ, तेरा वाला.
Read ना.
Kill, marry, hook up, Kevin, Salman, Samarthya. Funny. I don't want to answer that.
Okay, answer that.
नहीं यार.
Answer.
You made me answer mine also. You answer this also.
Hook up कौन? Samarthya, Kevin, Salman.
बोल जल्दी.
I would marry Samarthya.
Yeah.
I would kill Kevin and I would hook up with Salman.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
So you go.
I will.
Kill
Yeah.
Salman. Date Samarthya and
नहीं.
थोड़ी ना फंड हो गया यार.
नहीं देखना. Samatya is very good. So I would actually. I'm confused between marrying Samatya and Kevin. So I would because Nikki ka connection is Samatya. So I would leave. Chalo, I'll get married with
Nikki का
Kevin.
connection. You just
And
say that
Sam.
directly क्या मेरा बहाना दे रही है बीच में. I kill your connection now. तब तो मुझे नहीं बोला इसने.
Samatya I'll date.
Somebody is saying that श्रुति जब से आई है व्योमेश को किल करी जा रही है. श्रुति I'm sad.
हाथ दे अपना.
People are saying श्रुति जब से आई है व्योमेश को किल करी जा रही है.
एक ही ऑप्शन तो आया है यार.
Which और option do guys?
Like you give me 3 options and you give me someone has to die and like I knew.
We don't want anyone to die. We love everyone.
Yeah, like
iPhone is. Kevin is like, this is bullshit. Why? When you do, when you have your,
अरे answer ना the next person goes. Who is not.
बताऊंगी.
oh,
Shruti, your turn.
My turn.
Yeah.
I would kill.
What is the
Samatya.
question?
Same your question.
Kill, marry, hook up. The same.
Mine is actually when I've known each other with these good times, and I would date Kevin.
yeah. And kill Samatya. अरे यार.
बेचारा अभी मैं क्या
बोला वाला
करूँगी
है.
यार?
I know him, yeah. I know
But
the
you-
other two.
मैं ऐसे कर लेती हूँ.
क्या करे यार?
ठीक है अच्छा आजा
श्रुति तो कैसे नहीं?
श्रुति यार आजा इधर.
श्रुति पास आ जा मेरे थोड़े.
Okay. This one's for Shruti so that she doesn't kill Vyomesh again. Coffee with Vyomesh or tea with Dhruv? Oh God, guys. What did you say?
Coffee with Vyomesh.
Finally, Vyomesh gets a chance.
Yeah.
तुम लोग को पता है
Coffee
तुम लोगों ने वो रील्स देखी है जिसमें people are making those remix जहाँ पे बहुत सारे
They can't hear you. You covered the
Nikki
क्या
यार.
अच्छा लग रहा है ये. Nice.
Oh God. मैं आपको चला गया. Nikki बता.
तुम लोगों ने वो रील्स देखी है जिसमें people make remix like there is a bunch of people who are reacting and then somebody on the other side making a reel. समझ आ रहा है?
Okay, there was a यार क्वेश्चन मिस कर दिया.
बताती हूँ आज.
यार लग रहे हो वैसे लोग।
आरुषि प्लीज क्वेश्चन पर
आरुषि क्वेश्चन बता, श्रुति हमको दिख नहीं रहा है, हम स्मॉल है ना,
हम स्मॉल है
यार मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ किल मैरी डेट वाला, चेंज करो इसको।
एंड वही सेम
यार सेम क्वेश्चन है अभी
गाइस। किल मैरी डेट रोहन केविन समर्थ्या।
कौन सा रोहन?
Which one?
which one your Rohan
Her one, no? What? There is no my Rohan. मतलब okay, done.
yeah I mean
Guys, we don't want to answer that. थोड़ा mean question है वो.
yeah mean question है like कुछ है
Who's going? नहीं है हमारा.
मन नहीं है
मन नहीं
हमारा.
कर रहा है हमें.
name
the
who's
first
most
one.
likely to be in a living relationship.
Cat. No.
yeah I don't mind.
I think Nikki also. No, I don't.
No. I don't mind. I'm all of
Even I want to be in like a live-in relationship.
Technically. Just keep it comment. Technically. I'll tell you what.
Nikki.
किल मैरी, गरे नहीं करना है किल मैरी का, प्लीज चेंज दिस।
नहीं करना है guys.
नहीं मानना है बस.
Who is most likely to go to खतरों के खिलाड़ी? I want to go. Although like I am not a fit person.
I didn't get selected because I wasn't scared of snakes.
Yeah.
Kill, marry, date. नहीं,
So
ये नहीं
what? Like there are a lot of people I've seen who are scared of things but they still go.
करना. What?
There are a lot of people who are scared of things but they still go. Who's, oh god, किसको ऐड कर दिया तुम लोगों ने?
किसको ऐड कराएंगे?
Oh shit, अच्छा केविन को ऐड करा. I was like some random person.
Who's this?
Kevin,
knock.
who's there?
तेरा बाप आया.
I know that was coming.
Hey, what's up? Look at Shruti's face. Shruti's like, what do I do with this guy?
Obviously. Kevin, are you okay?
No.
You don't look okay. What has happened to you? Look at Kevin's hair.
Kill, marry, date. शिवम, जय और निखिल.
अरे नहीं करना है यार, बहुत हो गया है. I don't want to do this. छोड़ ना.
करना एक बार.
Kill, marry,
अरे हमने करा.
क्या किया?
ये किल मैरी डेट निकी सबसे पहले यही तो करा है. क्या हो गया?
शिवम निखिल जय.
Let's ask Kevin.
क्वेश्चन पूछो हमसे. Clubhouse पे
यार मत कर ऐसा.
Bro, this is very interesting game. So add us there ना.
हमें भी ऐड कर देना.
Guys, if you're not on Clubhouse, we're talking to everybody on Clubhouse every day.
प्रमोट करने आए.
अब वापस promote.
From morning till night. You can join us, follow us, join our group.
And it's odd, like they're removing me and not making me the moderator. मेक और cat को निकाल के.
Look at my hair, bro.
7 लोग कौन
यार,
ढूंढ रही हूँ किसका स्पीकर ऑन है. फिर देखती हूँ बहुतों का स्पीकर ऑन है. ओके बाय. केविन खाना खा के जा रही है तू. खाना खाने जाती हूँ. यहाँ आ जा एक बार. यहाँ आना एक बार. एक बार हाय बोल सबको.
क्या है?
क्या करी मेरे बाल को? Testing my patience.
कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आ रहा है. For Kevin, kill, marry, date, cat, Nikki, Arishi. He will kill me for sure. Why are you asking this question?
क्या था?
बताऊंगी यार, बाद में बताएंगे.
बताओ.
देख.
Kevin is like cat.
Hey, listen. Shruti, shut up. I knew she would say that. Shut up.
आप पूछना चाहिए था केविन को.
Kevin, there's a question for you.
No, I'm not answering. I know the question.
Will you answer the question?
No.
Will you answer?
No.
Okay, one.
Which question?
No,
Kill, marry, date.
Boy, I know what it is. I'm good.
He's blushing that side.
You're blushing, Kevin. मारा नहीं तो काट दिया इसने.
It's kind of easy though. Like, think about it.
Yeah, it's easy only. Why are you like calculating? What are you calculating?
Controversy.
अभी नहीं.
केविन को
Kind of very easy.
one.
Kevin, there's one. Nice. Will you answer? Wait. Ask him. He'll answer. नहीं तो waste. अरे he'll answer. Kill, marry, date. Aditi, Anushka और Riya. Anushka Mitra it says. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at cat.
Anushka Mitra. Kill, marry, date.
Kill, marry, date.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anushka, Riya.
50 बार बोलने
कौन
की
था?
सुन लिया उसने.
No, I can't talk about my exes, guys. I'm sorry.
but
You have to then call me and let me know what the answer is.
She wants to know.
I want.
okay, good.
Kill man. Who? Anushka.
Other Samruddhi,
Anushka or Kat.
Oh God,
Kill,
सबका
marry,
same
date.
क्यों है?
So that's two. Anushka and Kat. Who's
No.
the third one?
Kat and Samruddhi. Kill,
No,
marry,
he
date.
said I am yeah, I'm not his ex.
You could have given a better one, bro. See,
Your ex.
Another question.
I have lots of exes now.
Yeah, Kevin has a lot of exes.
Why are you
Not
pulling
one of
my
them.
hair?
Just-
Kat, how's the feeling to be the most beautiful girl?
No, we are all the girls are beautiful. Guys, stop it.
Guys, look at.
Somebody is saying, Arushi, did you just put septum? What is septum, guys? CEPTOM. What is that?
Oh, she doesn't have. Probably her filter has. Someone is saying Nikki Kid.
All.
Describe each of these girls in one word.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Marry, date, Kevin, Anushka, Arushi Chawla or Kat?
That's the only
Huh?
thing.
My comment is
Anushka Chawla or Kat? Kill, marry,
yeah.
date.
Oh God, stop it, yeah.
Anushka Shruti Kat. Anushka Shruti Kat. How is
मत
Shruti
कर।
Kat and Nikki together? How is Shruti जैसे आ गए हम हमने दरवाजा खोला निकी ने हम लोग मैंने कॉल करा उसने बोला मैं आ रही हूँ.
What?
Your friend has passed.
मत कर यार.
We were just staring at you continuously. Oh, and so sweet. You should have come and said hi to them. No, I'm not. I will not. I don't eat people. I think I'm a nice person. I would have. Kevin,
What time is it?
it's 10:40. It's show time.
18,000 people at 10:40, whatever.
नहीं.
That's a lot.
क्या
of people. Holy shit.
पढ़ो. ये सब चीजें क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग? Okay.
पता नहीं.
Chalo, kill, marry.
Stop
Date.
asking us.
I'll-
Kevin, what are you calculating? Answer ना सीधा.
But किसका नाम है? नाम नहीं आया अभी.
Do you know Siddharth? I don't.
Give me the names.
Oh, I love.
Nikita, give the names. No. What were the names?
Big Boss now मैं fan.
Acha, let me give the names. Nikki, Samruddhi, and Kat.
Nikki, I would kill.
What?
But she killed me too.
Because Nikki is a chotu sissy.
Yeah, answer.
No, she killed me. No, so that's why I'm killing her.
Nikki married. Nikki didn't kill you.
I even married you time ago.
Yeah.
When you could kill me, you killed me. What?
The questions were, I think it was. So obviously, rather date someone over you because you're like my brother. Obviously, you should you should feel so nice.
He's sad about that.
God, no, you're like my sister. So obviously I should kill you.
No, I also once. Okay.
Kevin.
Huh?
Cute
Don't
is.
say that.
What?
Nothing.
Who's the youngest here? Nikki.
Arey Kevin, let him answer the question now.
He would date Samruddhi and marry Kat. Now I want the question.
No, I'm sure
He said it.
उसका कुछ और answer भी हो सकता है.
नहीं आप जबरदस्ती मत बोलना. Okay, do Arushi, Nikki and Kat.
Arushi, Nikki, and Kat.
Kill me most
Kill-
probably.
I'd kill Arushi. No, I'd kill Nikki again. She killed me once, now I'm gonna keep killing her.
What the heck?
I'm gonna kill Nikki.
Bench वाला.
Date Arushi.
Kevin, answer this. No, last question, Kevin. Kill, marry,
चलो,
date.
I wanna go.
Kill, marry, date. Kat,
leaving
Kat,
tonight.
Anushka or Arushi Chawla.
Oh God.
Answer
Wait.
one.
Nikki, stop it.
He's like, I'll kill
man.
myself.
Good on. I'll take the gun, boom.
Stop it.
Cat
guys.
को निकाल देते
Stop
हैं.
it.
Okay, chalo, I'll ask you guys. If you guys answer mine, I'll answer yours. Okay? I'll answer each one of you. Okay?
Guys, text.
Then
Just
I will marry Cat.
to-
You will marry Kat.
missing. My mom is and this and can you guys have dinner?
Yeah. Guys, अच्छी कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते नहीं हो, बकवास
Bye guys. छुट्टी डिनर करने हम भी जा रहे हैं.
Oh God. Such an abrupt end. Okay.
यहाँ पर क्या करें, ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन है फालतू के. Okay. Bye guys. Have fun.
Bye, Kevin. Bye, Kat. Bye,
Bye,
Nikki.
bye,
Bye,
Kevin.
Shruti.
Sorry Kevin. Our life was really stupid.
Boring.
रोना मत. चल bye.
Bye.
Bye. Clubhouse.
Clubhouse.
Yeah. See you.
And
Okay.
what was it? Dazed and
What?
confused. That is our club name. Dazed and confused. Go download Clubhouse.
Yeah.
If you haven't already downloaded Clubhouse, or if you have downloaded Clubhouse and you can get it on Google. But then Google how to get free invitations. Like websites that do invitations for Clubhouse. So you don't
Yeah,
have to
everyone
wait.
is asking the same thing.
What?
The
I know.
invitations
Me
thing
too.
for the clubhouse.
क्या करूँ?
Yeah, you can just download it. Go on Clubhouse and download it. Like, ready?
Kevin, listen, I'm gonna kill you the next time I have an option. Even if I have options like Shivam, Jay, I'll still kill you then.
This thing will kill me. Come and Jay.
Okay. चले हो गया खत्म.
हाँ, देखो बोल रही हूँ, खत्म बंद करेगी.
तू बंद करना. चल ठीक है चल. Bye Kevin. Have fun. Clubhouse में
Clubhouse पे आना.
Guys सब लोग को Clubhouse में मिलते हैं. Bye bye bye. यार ये end कैसे करूँ?